Welcome to another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.
Welcome back for another Friday edition of WSI TV. That's Sean Bauer, I'm Jordan Bishop, and today we're going to show you how you can rig Wall Street's $700 million Powerball lottery. Now, I was sitting around last night and I was watching all the hype about the Powerball. We were at a record $700 million payout. And I just thought how crazy it is. It made me laugh, All these people rushing around buying lottery tickets when they could be using Wall Street's lottery. Now, just to put that in perspective, you only have a 0.0000003% chance of winning the lottery, but that's completely different with Wall Street's Powerball lottery because it puts the power in your hands.
Yeah, we're really going to take this in two stages where we talk to you and show you what Wall Street's own Powerball lottery is and how we get our tickets for it. And the first part of this is being able to have something with a lot of upside, but that you can get for a similar price as a lottery ticket. We see everybody running around to gas stations and grocery stores buying all their lottery tickets up, when you can do the same thing but buy penny stocks instead for $2, $5, really similar prices to what you'd spend on the lottery. But this gives you massive upside, and it doesn't have 6 zeros and a 3 before your percentage chance of winning. I mean, most of these are things that we win on, Jordan.
Exactly, and we're not talking about over-the-counter penny stocks like those biopharmaceutical stocks you see that are worth 87 cents. Our penny stocks are reliable. We're talking under $10. You can go into 5 as well, as long as they look like they've got enough trend, enough balance there when they bounce along their trend lines. Sure. But we're not talking about these stocks that you can't get through your broker. We're talking about things on the NASDAQ, on the Amex, on the S&P 500.
Right. Yeah, they're often easier to get than, I guess, running out to the gas station to get a Powerball ticket. I mean, all you have to do is open up your laptop and hit a few buttons, go into your broker to buy some shares. And this is stuff that, you're going to be able to track. It may not have the overnight upside, but this is stuff that can absolutely, as we're about to show you in a minute, have insane gains. And that kind of brings us to the second part where we're talking specifically about technology penny stocks. Okay, now everybody knows tech stocks have these really amazing upside numbers to them. And whenever you couple that with the power of penny stocks as Wall Street's own Powerball lottery, this is something that gives you insane upside when you know the right ones to pick, Jordan.
Yeah, exactly. And if we look at some of these tech stocks that have that lottery explosive upside to them, we're looking at we look at Apple that was worth $10. It's now got a market cap of $752 billion.
Yeah, billion with a B.
Exactly. Yeah. And then we've got Nvidia. I love that stock. It was trading around $11. It's now worth $96 billion. The company is obviously. Right. We have Seagate Technology, which might be a name that you haven't heard of before, just to prove that it's not all these big name stocks. They were worth $19 a share. They hit $59 a share. That's 210% gain. In a very short amount of time.
Really short amount of time. Yeah, this is. That's a proper lottery style. Tech stock, penny stock, and something like you said you haven't heard of. So it's not all of these big, huge companies that we're just going back and looking at. This is stuff that's actually happening pretty much all the time whenever you can pick out the right one.
Exactly. And if you look at Amazon, if you would have bought that at $2 per share, that's the same price as a Powerball ticket, and it's now worth $1,000 a share.
Right.
And I know you have an interesting fact on if you would have bought a couple shares on that.
Yeah, $100 on the Amazon IPO whenever it first came out would be worth $64,000 now. If you had gotten $5,000 into that, if you had enough to spend, these again are really cheap stock prices. That $5,000 would have made you a millionaire. You'd have $2.4 million now. So clear upside for these.
Yeah, if you're looking at these, first of all, you're looking at penny stocks, and then you look at the tech penny stocks, you get those real explosive gains that you can expect from lottery winnings.
Right.
But you've got more of a chance of it. Like I said, the power is in your hands with this. And if you use those two things, the tech stocks and the penny stocks, you'll really be rigging Wall Street's Powerball lottery.
Yeah.
So next time you think about going out and buying a Powerball ticket, take a second look at it and evaluate what you're doing.
Yeah, and while it may take a little bit of work to go and identify some of these companies with this really lottery upside potential, I mean, this is something Jordan's doing all the time. We call him the penny stock king around here. He's really our penny stock in-house expert. This is what he's doing for members and subscribers all the time through Penny Stock Launchpad. So he's doing it all for you.
Yeah, I mean, that's exactly why I've got this gripe with the lottery, because we're making explosive gains with these penny stocks, like we said, and you guys might be out there buying lottery tickets and wasting your money.
Right.
But we hope we've convinced you. There's a big difference between these explosive penny stocks and tech stocks, and then your once-in-a-lifetime lottery win. So on behalf of Sean and myself, thanks for being here. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV. Be sure to visit wallstreetinformer.com, where you can become a member for free and gain instant access to the secrets of market millionaires via the Wall Street Informer Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at wallstreetinformer.com.